My dear friends, as you know, I always try to upload motivational, inspirational, or informative videos which could help my friends to lead healthy, happy, and successful life. Today, I'm discussing a very important and common topic, that is travel anxiety or stress, faced particularly by seniors, and ways to overcome it. Travel can be exciting and fulfilling, opening doors to new cultures, people, and experiences. This emotional and physical unease related to travel can range from mild nervousness to intense fear that prevents some people from taking a trip altogether. Various researchers concluded that this is something normal, and the findings of studies are that 60% plus travelers feel some level of stress while planning or preparing for a trip. This includes concerns about packing, safety, health, cost, and logistics. 30 to 40% of travelers report experiencing moderate to high level of travel anxiety or stress before or during a trip. 18 to 20% of people experience aviophobia, which is fear of flying, one of the most common travel specific anxieties. 10 to 15% of travelers say their travel anxiety is severe enough that they avoid travel altogether. Understanding travel anxiety, its symptoms and causes, and learning how to manage it can help transform stress into enjoyment. And this is the purpose of this video. So, what is travel anxiety? Travel anxiety is a type of situational anxiety triggered by the act or thought of traveling. It can affect anyone, frequent travelers, first timers, or even those visiting familiar places. Travel anxiety includes nervousness, restlessness, or even physical symptoms before and after or even during trip. Common symptoms of travel anxiety. Travel anxiety can affect both the mind and body. Symptoms may start days or even weeks or months before the planned travel and intensify as the departure date nears. So, emotional symptoms are irritability or restlessness, racing thoughts or constant worry, feeling overwhelmed or out of control. Then, physical symptoms rapid heartbeat or chest tightness, nausea, upset stomach, or diarrhea. Difficulty sleeping before travel. Let us discuss what causes travel anxiety. Travel anxiety can be triggered by a variety of psychological and situational factors. Number one, fear of unknown. Going to unfamiliar places can spark fear, especially if you don't speak the language, know the area, or understand the culture. Number two, previous negative experiences. Past traumatic or stressful travel, such as getting lost, experiencing flight delays, or health issues abroad, can leave lasting anxiety. Then, fear of flying. This is a common and specific phobia, which includes worrying about turbulence, crashes, or feeling trapped on a plane. Number four, health concerns. For seniors, people with medical conditions, fear of falling ill while away from home can create anxiety. Then, number five is social anxiety. Interacting with strangers, navigating busy airports, or being in crowds can trigger anxiety in socially anxious individuals. So, what are the top triggers of travel anxiety? Flight delays and cancellation is 60%. Health concerns while away 40%. Getting lost luggage barrier 35%. Losing luggage 30%. Navigating airports and crowds 25%. Fear of flying 18 to 20%. Customs and immigration worries 15%. How to manage travel anxiety? My dear friends, I personally love travel and have visited 60 plus countries and hundreds of cities. I have observed that the travelers of all ages get some level of travel anxiety, but seniors get more travel stress. I think seniors should travel in style to greatly reduce travel stress. It can be a powerful way to reduce anxiety boost confidence, and make the entire journey smoother and more enjoyable. Here are some practical tips as per my experience and observation of many frequent travelers I met. But only if you love to travel and can afford it. So, number one is financial impacts. Once you have decided to travel, then be ready to spend lavishly on travel to avoid stress. Particularly as a senior, you have earned the right to travel in peace and not pressure. One of the smartest ways to reduce travel anxiety is to allow yourself comfort, convenience, and care, even if it costs a bit more. Number two, flight bookings. Travel in upper classes with comfort and style. It's a strategy for reducing anxiety and enjoying the journey, especially for older adults. Book direct flights to save energy and reduce hassle. Always fly by well known airlines and with best reviews. As per their individual affordability, they should book a business or first class. This way, they will have priority check in, access to lounges, as well as priority security clearance without hassle, avoiding crowds and long lines. Number three, excursions. Book your excursions through renowned agencies to avoid any negative surprises. Skip the line tours to avoid stress. Number four, travel to first world countries. A large majority of people and particularly seniors get worried or upset for health concerns while away. To overcome this, visit only countries in the first world where medical facilities are available. Number five, transfers at airports. Always use private transfers to and from airport to beat struggling with luggage in public transport. Number six, stays. Stay at top hotels with good reviews to get better sleep, safety, and service. Prefer 4-star or 5-star hotels with full service. Number seven, dining out. Dining out while away is very important. Go to best dining places to avoid any health hazards and to get good experience, not just a meal. Number eight, extra help and travel insurance. Take extra help like porters, guides, concierge. It reduces stress and supports local jobs. Get travel insurance to mitigate various risks and fears. Number nine, packing for travel. Don't listen to the repeated advice to travel light or pack light. See your requirements and needs during travel and prepare a proper list accordingly. Number 10, manage your health. Consult your doctor, get all your vaccination, keep your brief medical profile, and keep extra medications and supplements you take daily. Stay hydrated and get good sleep the night before, during flight, and after arriving. You may use melatonin or any other medication after consulting your doctor. Number 11, proper planning. Create a checklist and itinerary to stay organized. Allow extra time for airport security, connections, and rest. Build in buffer days and avoid overscheduling. Number 12, getting information about destination. Learn about your destination to reduce fear of the unknown. Familiarize yourself with airport and airline procedures. Know emergency contact info and local hospital locations. Now, concluding remarks. Whatever I have mentioned is not about luxury, but it's about eliminating stress, making space for joy, and creating a smooth, supported, and stylish journey for seniors. However, the young guys may travel as an adventure. Travel anxiety is common and manageable, especially when you plan ahead, travel with style, and take steps to keep yourself safe and calm. With the right mindset and preparation, your golden years can be full of new places and joyful memories. That's all for today. I have tried to mention the tips for a stress free travel, which are unanimously agreed by experts in this field. I don't claim that this is the final list, but I am confident that my viewers will find some points helpful in their life to achieve their goals. Please subscribe my channel and favor me with your views and comments on this video. Also, click the like button if you like the video. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all a very successful life with health and happiness. Thanks for watching once again.